Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Seat Terraco Xcellence AllDrive. This car comes with the 2-litre diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez Compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 40 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 21 and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 33,000 miles and comes with full service history from Seat. This particular colour is the metallic Reflex silver and looks in a great condition and fares your mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The outer edge of the seats there are leather. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has cruise control as well as automatic headlights and wipers. The smart digital display there, and on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls, and just below that you've also got your button there for the electric tailgate. The Terraco is the perfect car for family, so nice wide door opening, lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents which they can control the temperature by, and also the fold-away picnic tables. As we open the tailgate, which like I mentioned is electric, to reveal your 7-seat option, as well as a good amount of storage space as well. The rear seats do fold down, and you've also got the parcel shelf which is hidden away below the floor when it's not required. Externally the car comes with LED headlights, the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.